Here we have a ding on a letterbox. So what we're going to use is Thermatech acrylic patch, fine patch. So we need a polystyrene float, which is part of the kit, and a spatula. So now we'll put some acrylic patch on the spatula, apply it to the ding, scrape off the excess, and now with the polystyrene float we'll work all the edges in. Make sure the sides are all blended into the coating. And finish it off very lightly on the surface. And that's how you do it. Once the patch is dry, it'll blend in, you simply paint it and then you won't know it's there.